meet you. Welcome to Cooking 101. Today, myself, Red Dick, and Mr. Nagy. He's a root. He doesn't talk much. He had a stroke. But anyways, we're hipsters. I'm really kawaii. We're gonna do a little cooking video for you. Now we're gonna start with the pasta, the spaghetti, and the Red Dick. We don't have spaghetti. We messed up already. We don't have the spaghetti. We don't have the spaghetti.
お前が買ってこい。
Fine. Jeez. Hey, Mom's sweaty. Knees weak. Mom's heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti. Mom's spaghetti. Mom's spaghetti. Mom's spaghetti. So Red Dick, what's on today's menu? What are the ingredients?
Hey boss, hey boss, hey boss, hey boss.
Space.
Hey boss.
We got Mr. Nagy growing the vegetables. They're dead, but he's growing the vegetables.
Bitch, do it 30. I'm on pills.
Hey, Scott.
I'm so for real.
Damn.
Watch me skid.
Scott.
Throw a little bit from 7th Street. Bitch, fuck with me. What it is. Bitch got the biz.
Damn.
Ho got the strap.
Dr. Phil.
Jay got the strap.
Dr. Phil.
Got the Glock.
Damn.
Bitch got the Glock. Fuck who hot. Fuck your authority.
Damn.
Fuck your position.
That's a big ass leak. I don't know where you found that.
Girl, put that pussy on my face.
Praise God.
Bitch, on my face. Fuck yeah.
Praise God.
Every bitch know that she know what to do.
Yeah.
$100,000 in my sticking ass. Yeah, you look so good, I'm gonna fuck.
Well, what are you waiting for? You gonna eat it or what? We cooked this just for you. Look at this guy. Doesn't know manners, crawled up his ass. What's wrong with you, man? Are you like autistic or something? Are you autistic? Are you sick in the head? Like, you're honestly the worst cooking guest in the world. You're a root. You have no meaning to this universe. You have no meaning to this world. You're a root. You just stand around and holding a leek all the time. Which I don't even understand. If we liked leeks, we would have thrown it in the spaghetti, but we didn't. Because we hate leeks, okay? You're a root. You're a damn root. You know what this guy needs to do? If he likes leeks so much, this guy needs to take a leak. Hilarious. He needs to take a leak. How'd you do that?
Don't talk shit about leaks, nigga.